Hi guys, my name is Kimmy from the Beardsley Library, and today we'll be making our DIY spring wreaths. So I had this program scheduled way back when everything was happening. So I wasn't able to have it in person, so I thought I would do it online. So people that signed up for it got the materials that they needed. I'll share with you the stuff you need. If you are just watching this just as a regular patron that didn't sign up for this program, you can do this and you can follow it. You can get all the materials. So the materials that I provided were these mesh rolls like this. I have 4 colors, so I used about 4, maybe a half, because I have extra purple in my packs. About 4.5 of these rolls. I got them at the Dollar Tree. They're sometimes hard to find. You can buy them on bulk on dollartree.com. I also, you will need this, what is this called? A wreath ring, that's what it's called, wreath ring. So I also did get this at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, they might not have them because they're a popular item, but you can find them on bulk on the Dollar Tree. I know Torrington Dollar Tree had recently had them. Maybe you can find them there, sometimes they don't. But this one is a 14-inch ring too, and there's 6 sections. So some people get the bigger ones and they don't have enough mesh for it, so make sure it's a 14-inch ring. You also need some pipe cleaners. You can really use any pipe cleaners you got. These I also got at the Dollar Tree, and then you cut them in half. So I forget how many come in a package, but you get double it because you cut them in half. But when you do the package, don't cut all of them in half, because if you're adding little embellishments to it, like flowers or whatnot, like we will be adding flowers to ours today, you'll need a full size pipe cleaner. So that's the materials you need, and you'll always need some scissors for cutting the mesh. I cut the mesh to about 6 inches a piece. Each one I cut about 6 inches too, and yeah, that's basically it. I have like a pizza cutter slicer cut thingy. I have like a mat and like the pizza slice cutter scissors, and that's super fast for me. I just do it really quick with that. I've done many of these wreaths, so I'm usually pretty quick at it. So let's get started. So I already started mine, and I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to do the last 2 sections on this video. So this is what it looks like so far. So I only have these 2 sections to do. So in the bags that you got, if you got them from me, I included all the mesh, all the pipe cleaners, the flowers, the wreath ring, and also some instructions with the pattern on it. So you're going to follow this pattern that I have on here. It's just a certain pattern that I followed depending on how much the mesh you have and everything. So follow this paper and I'll explain it a little bit more. So on the paper it says you have 7 bundles in each section. So in each of, if you look on the back, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each of the sections. So this, from one line to another, is a section, and you'll have 7 of the bundles that we're gonna make. And then in each bundle, which are the things right here, the mesh, try to push one a little bit to the side. In each bundle, there will be 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. So I have a purple, a white, and a pink piece in one bundle, and you combine them with the pipe cleaner. And I'll show you how to do that later on. I said on there, follow the pattern. I gave you the amount of mesh you need to follow this particular pattern. If you try to go with another pattern, you might not have enough mesh. So you could try it that way. I would do it the way I have it. If you want to try to figure out a different way to do it, it's your wreath, you can do what you want, but this is just the pattern that works for how much of the mesh I cut, which is a lot. I cut like a lot of it, maybe over 100, and I have about 5 people signed up, so that's a lot of mesh for me. The video will be right now on our beardslibrary.org, and it's today is not Wednesday, June 3rd. I pre-recorded it, but it will be posted on Wednesday, June 3rd, which would be the day you're watching it. And then it's gonna be under the ticket of fun. Hopefully, if you found me, then you found where the ticket of fun was. And that's it. So the pattern for your wreath. The pattern is in order from bottom to the bundle to the top of the bundle. So on here, I have first bundle, purple, white, pink. So I'm going to show you that with my hands. I'm going to move you guys down a little bit so you can see my hands a little bit down here. And I'll try to repeat the bundle each time. So I'll pull you guys down. With my mesh, I took it all out and I have them in like sections. So I have like white, pink, and purple. That's just the easiest way to do it, just so you have them separate so they're not all clunked together. So it's just easy to grab each one. And then usually I do all 7 of them, then I put them on. You can do them how you want. If you want to make them all for the whole wreath ring and then put them on, you can do that. I do one section at a time. I feel like that's fast and you can kind of see it progress, so it's a lot easier and you get a break from bundling with your fingers. Just be careful, it scratches you sometimes. Just watch what you're doing. Do it really slow. Take your time. This is obviously not in a time crunch. You can do this whenever. So I'm going to show you the 2 sections I'm going to do. So I chose to do 2 sections so you could just see the handwork I'm doing while doing this. So we're going to follow the first pattern. So the first piece you're going to get is the purple piece. So I would keep it like in a circle, round shape like this, and you're going to put it in between your fingers and you're going to pinch it. So this is like I have it pinched. So our next one, and it says first bundle, I have the purple, and that's for the bottom. The second will be white. I have white over here. I'm gonna roll it up a little bit, and I'm gonna open my fingers a little bit and put that right on top of that one. Doesn't have to be perfect on there. Don't have to be super perfect. It'll shine through either way. So my next one is pink. So that's gonna be on the top. So I'm gonna grab my pink. I'm just gonna make it round just by folding it a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfectly round. And I'm gonna put it right on the top, in between. Open your fingers, and you're kind of doing like scissors like that. So now you have the bundle in your fingers like this. And I'm gonna do this 13 more times. So you'll get to watch me. I'll speed up a little bit later on. Maybe the first 7 I'll show you slow. So this is where it gets tricky. You have to make this tight. This is a lot easier in person because I can help you maneuver it and watch you like from behind, but I'll try my best to explain it. So you're gonna put the pipe cleaner on top of the pink, like right between, like that. Then I pull the top of the mesh and I kind of fold it over the pipe cleaner. This is hard to show. Over the pipe cleaner until it's like with the other side. That you can take your finger off. Then you're gonna take the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner. I usually hold the mesh and the pipe cleaner from the top, and you're just gonna twist real tight. Try to make it as tight as you can, and that's gonna be your bundle. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna make the rest of them too. So our second bundle. So it's gonna be blue, which is gonna be on the bottom. You take your fingers like scissors, like you're doing rock, paper, scissors, like that. So you put it in between your fingers, and then you close your fingers. And then the next one is gonna be purple. So some of them stay round just because of the shape, but when you get to like, when you're cutting from the beginning or like the end, they like unfold a little bit. So I'm gonna put the purple right on top, open the fingers, put it on top, and then hold it again. And then white is gonna be my top layer. I got my white, put them on top. So I have my bundle. So here we go with the pipe cleaner again. Sorry, this part is super confusing to explain on camera, so I will try to explain it again. So you have your bundle right here. I usually turn my fingers, so like I have it straight, and now I turn it. You put the pipe cleaner right on top of the white bundle, which is the top, and you can pinch it again. You could take either side of the mesh, but I take the left side, maybe because I'm lefty. That's how it works for me. But I usually take the top piece of the mesh, you fold it, there are my fingers. You fold it outside of your fingers that were twisted, and you can hold the mesh and then just pull the pipe cleaner tight. So it looks like this right now. So the pipe cleaner is right in the middle, and I'm just pinching it. So if you like let it go, that's fine. Just close the bundle, and then you twist the pipe cleaner real tight on the top. This is the part that gets really tricky and it's really hard for some people to do, but just practice it. You can always untwine and do it again, and I'll just show you another, I think 12 or 11 more times. So the next bundle is going to be the third bundle. So the pink, so I have them in order on the page, and that's from bottom to top. I had them from top to bottom before, and then I changed them because it seemed a little confusing. So this is from bottom to top. So pink is on the bottom on bundle 3. I'm gonna do blue, or there's blues next. So this one's flat, so I'm gonna just wrap it a little bit, make it circular. Blue, and some purple. So I have them on top. Take your pipe cleaner, you put it on top of the purple. I wish I could show you a little bit more. So you put it on top of the purple. You just put it like on top. So you have one pipe cleaner on one side, the other pipe cleaner on the other side. Take the top of the mesh, pull it between your fingers. You're basically wrapping over the pipe cleaner. You're gonna hold the mesh, hold the pipe cleaner. I pull and then I twist just to get a nice tight bundle right in the middle. So if you're new to this video, you're gonna be like, hey, you're gonna be able to see the pipe cleaner like this when you put it on the bundle. That is not the case. You will not see it. Once everything is on the wreath, you can fluff it up, and that helps you not see the pipe cleaner. So it doesn't matter what color pipe cleaners you use at all. So we're on our fourth bundle. So white is gonna be the bottom. Pink is gonna be our middle. And then blue is our top. They stick sometimes, so just be careful. Blue is on our top. So you put it in between your fingers, do the scissors, put the pipe cleaner on top, take the top, mine's the left side of the mesh because I'm left-handed, and then you're gonna fold it with the other mesh, kind of folding it over the pipe cleaner. You're gonna pull and twist. So you want it to be in the middle too when you're doing it. That's why when we fold it in half, so I know it's in the middle, that's why we fold it. So after bundle 4, we have 4 bundles, it just repeats back to the first bundle. So I wrote a note that says after the 4th bundle, it repeats back to the first bundle pattern, so don't be confused if you see the same pattern again. So our 5th bundle is the same as our first bundle. So it's gonna be purple on the bottom, it's gonna be white in the middle. Sometimes the mesh is cut like a little weird and wonky. It's just because if you pull it straight, it will be straighter. It's just the way it forms after being cut. So if it looks a little wonky, it's okay, you won't notice. After you roll it up, just put it on there. So I'm putting it in between my fingers, squeezing, where am I? And then pink. So you can really do this slow, so you get the right pattern. And then pink. And then you're gonna squeeze in between your fingers. Take your pipe cleaner, put it on the top. Take the top or the left side and fold it over to the other mesh. You're gonna take your mesh, you're gonna pull your pipe cleaner, and you're just gonna twist. Just so it's a nice tight twist. That one's a little offset, but that's okay. 6th bundle, so it's gonna be blue. Then we got purple. And then we got white. So I put it in between your scissored fingers. Pipe cleaner right on top. So when I say it's on top, it's not like straight on top, it's kind of like sideways. So it's on like the left side of the bundle right here, and it's on like the right side. So it's like it's like an X, but only with one of the lines. So if I put another one, maybe you can see a little bit better. So it's like on this side of the bundle, and then this one's on this side of the bundle. So you do that, You're gonna take the top or the left. Let's see if I can show a better angle. You're gonna put it, you're gonna fold it. You're basically folding it over the pipe cleaner. Hold your mesh, pull it tight, and twist. Maybe twist it like twice, just so you get a nice grip on it. Okay, so our last bundle is our 7th bundle, and then I'll put them on the ring. So we're gonna put our pink, our blue, and then our purple. And we're gonna take the pipe cleaner, put it on top, take the top of the bundle, fold it over the pipe cleaner. And then you twist. So that is our 7 bundles. So I'm gonna put them on my wreath right now, and I'll show you how to do that. Hi guys. So here is the wreath. So I'll show you how to do it, why they look all nice in the back later. So I don't think it really matters which side, because I don't remember if I start it like this way or like the other way. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna continue this way. I'm gonna put it on my lap. So I'm gonna follow the pattern from the paper onto here. So I'm looking for the bundle that has purple, white, and pink. I just look towards the bottom of the bundles. So you're gonna take the first bundle, which is this one, the purple, white, and pink, and these 2 middle rings right where my fingers are right here, we're gonna wrap the pipe cleaner around. So you have the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner. You're gonna put 1 below here, 1 on the top of here. So they're in between these 2 right here. So you have 1 going in this way and 1 going in this way. I make sure they're kind of centered right in the middle, and then I just twist all the way to the end. And then I just move it away for a second. I'm gonna move you guys a little bit closer for this one again. So the second bundle was, the bottom is blue. Let me find a blue bottom. Here's a blue bottom. You're gonna put the 2 end of the pipe cleaners, 1 through the top right here. Hold on, try to make it straight right here. And then the bottom one's gonna be this one. I like flatten it like this. You take the 2 ends and you just twist them together. I'll show a side angle for the next one. Like I said, I'll be doing this another 12 times, so you'll see it plenty of times. Maybe it'll register. If you have any more questions, you can always call me too, and I can always explain how to do it again, or I can make another video just for yourself if there's something that you're not understanding. If I'm not clarifying enough for you, I can definitely help you again and do another video if you haven't done this. I think most people that signed up have done it, but if you're someone just watching, then I can always explain it. So our 3rd bundle is this pink, blue, and purple, so I have that. So I'm going to kind of do a side view. So I'm going to do, I'll move you guys out here. I kind of just pull at it and push the bundle against the wire, and you just twist. Make sure you have a good twist and it's not like a loose twist. This is where I scratch myself a lot on like the ends and stuff. I just scratch my finger, so just be careful. Bundle 4, and if you lose track of the bundles, you can just count as well. So 1, 2, 3. So now I'm on the 4th bundle, which is the white is on the bottom. So I'll look for a white bottom. Found one. So you're gonna put it in between you put it in between the 2 and the 3rd line in the ring. You're gonna push this against the ring so it's nice and close to the ring. And I kind of pull on the pipe cleaner so it's all the way there. and you're gonna twist. You can move it. Okay, now we're on our 5th bundle, which the bottom is purple. So I found my purple bottom. We're gonna put it against the 2nd and the 3rd, one between the 1st and the 2nd, and the 2nd one's between the 3rd and the 4th. So you put them in between, pull on the pipe cleaner, and you're gonna twist. Next one is blue bottom, which is bundle 6. Put them in between this ring and this one. Put the 2 ends of your bundle through there. You're gonna take the pipe cleaners, the 2 pipe cleaners, and you're gonna pull it nice and tight. Make sure it's centered, the bundle's centered. And twist. And last one for this section is the pink bottom. Put them in between, right here and right here, or right here and right here, the bottom and the top one. Make sure it's centered, and then you twist. Okay, so we have that section done. So now we're gonna make another 7 for the last section. So I'll put this down here. So bundle 1, it's gonna be purple. White. And then pink. Yep, and then you put them in between your fingers. Put the pipe cleaner in between. You fold. See, I could do it super fast because I've done like a bunch of these wreaths. Let's see how fast I can do one. So we're gonna do blue, purple, white. Watch, I'm gonna twist this really fast. Just put it in between. Maybe that wasn't that fast, faster than I was doing before. Oops. So our 3rd bundle is gonna be pink, blue, and purple. Pink, blue, and purple. Put it in between, put the pipe cleaner on here, sideways. Take the bundle, fold it over the pipe cleaner, pull the mesh, pull the pipe cleaner, twist. We're on bundle 4, bundle 4. I'm just gonna speed up a little bit, just because I have a lot more to talk about, so I'm just gonna speed up a little bit. Don't mind me. I won't be explaining as much, so I'm gonna put white, pink, and blue. Take a pipe cleaner, put it on top. Purple, white. I think in your bags there's probably extra mesh, so if you think you need to fill up your wreath a little bit more, there's some extra. If you want to make some random extra pieces to throw in there, you can. There should be extra of each color. I just left all the extra pieces in there so you guys could do that. If you see it's maybe one part of your wreath is a little empty and you want to add a little bit more, you could do that as well. Purple, white. I'm on bundle 6 right now. Okay, and then my last bundle, I'll show you kind of slow again. So we're gonna do pink. I'm gonna scissor that. I'm gonna do the blue, right on top, scissored, and purple right on top. I'm gonna take the pipe cleaner, put it in between, right on top of that, kind of like an X shape with just one of the X's. So it's gonna look like this. So this is gonna be on like this side. This is gonna be on the other side. Take your mesh, fold it over the pipe cleaner. You see the pipe cleaner is in the middle now. You're gonna take the ends of your pipe cleaner, take them, fold them in half like that. Fold them together, not fold them in half, fold them together. You're gonna pull your mesh, and you're gonna pull the pipe cleaner, and you're gonna twist. That will give you the tight bundle that you need when you pull it. Remember to pull it. That's super important. If you want a nice tight twist to the bundle, because then it's gonna really stay on there. So I'm gonna grab the ring, and this is gonna be our last section. So once you get like all the way full, it's a little bit hard because you have mesh on each side, so trying to get in your way. Just move them to the side. I'm gonna pull you guys a little bit closer. So the first bundle is gonna be purple bottom. You're gonna put them between this one and this one, the two pipe cleaners, go like that. So you're gonna separate the pipe cleaners, put them through those two holes, right where my fingers are. You're gonna take the pipe cleaners, you're gonna pull them so it's nice and close. When I pull them, I kind of pinch them between the two just to hold my shape so I could twist it too. Just a little bit of a tip there. Next one is blue bottom. Make sure you twist them nice. Sometimes when you just quickly twist them, they don't twist nice. Just make sure you go over so they don't fall off. So next one's pink bottom. You're not pink. Pink, blue, purple. Separate them. Put them between these two holes right here. Pull the pipe cleaner. I don't know if you can see, I pinch right here, like against the pipe cleaners, and I twist. I just pinch it just so it stays that shape, so when I let it go a little bit, it doesn't lose its shape when I'm twisting. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3. I'm on bundle 4. Bottom is white. White, pink, blue. I would just check the pattern too, because sometimes like the middle color could be towards the bottom. It might look like it's on the bottom, but it's not. So just verify your colors, the pattern again. So that one's white, pink, and blue. So that goes there. Our fifth one is purple, white, pink. That's not it. Purple, white, and pink. Blue, the bottom is blue. Blue, purple, white. And last but not least, the last bundle to go on here. This is where it gets really tight. So just